Hello, my loving future doctors. Welcome to my channel Help Study 1 2 3. This chapter is very important. Let's start our class. Don't miss. Pleiotropy. A pleiotropic gene A controls a trait only in combination with another gene. B controls multiple traits in an individual. C is expressed only in primitive plants. D is a gene evolved during Pliocene. Right answer B controls multiple traits in an individual. Next, the gene disorder phenylketonuria is an example for A. Multiple allism, B. Polygenic inheritance, C. Incomplete dominance, D. Pleiotropy. Right answer D. Pleiotropy. Next, genes with multiple phenotypic effects are known as epistatic genes, duplicate genes, pleiotropic genes, polygenes. Right answer C. Pleiotropic genes. When a single gene influences more than one trait, it is called A. Codominance, B. Pleiotropy, C. Incomplete dominance, D. None of these. Right answer B. Pleiotropy. A couple has 6 daughters. What is the possibility of they are having a girl next time? A 10%, B 50%, C 90%, D 100%, B 50%. Number of autosomes present in liver cells of a human female is A 22 autosomes, B 22 pairs, C 23 autosomes, D 23 pairs. Right answer B 22 pairs autosome. 22 pairs. A mutation is a sudden temporary change in an organism's genetic material. B. Spontaneous change that occurs in response to specific external factors and chemicals. C. Change in hereditary material directed by a changing environment. D. Change in genotype which may result in a new expression of a characteristic. Right answer D. Change in genotype which may result in a new expression of a characteristic. Rate of mutation is affected by A. Temperature, B. X-rays, C. Gamma rays, D. All of these. Right answer all of these D. If a genetic disease is transferred from a phenotypically normal but carrier female to only some of the male progeny, the disease is A. Autosomal dominant, B. Autosomal recessive, C. Sex-linked dominant, D. Sex-linked recessive. D. Sex-linked recessive. Right answer D. In sickle cell anemia, glutamic acid is replaced by valine. Which one of the following triplets codes for valine? A G G G, A A G, G A A, G U G. Right answer D, G U G. In a dihybrid cross, if you get 9:3:3:1 ratio, it denotes that A. The alleles of two genes are interacting with each other. B. It is a multigenic inheritance. C. It is a case of multiple allelism. D. The alleles of two genes are segregating independently. Right answer D. The alleles of two genes are segregating independently. Next, which of the following will not result in variations among siblings? A. Independent assortment of genes. B. Crossing over. C. Linkage. D. Mutation. Right answer C. Linkage. Next, Mendel's law of independent assortment holds good for genes situated on the A. Non-homologous chromosomes, B. Homologous chromosomes, C. Extra nuclear genetic element, D. Same chromosome. Right answer B, homologous chromosomes. Next, occasionally a single gene may express more than one effect. The phenomenon is called A. Multiple allelism, B. mosaicism, C. pleiotropy, D. polygyny. Right answer C. pleiotropy. Mother and father of a person with O blood group. Person with O blood group. পার্সনের O blood group রয়েছে। Mother and father of a person with O blood group have A and B blood group respectively. Mother A blood group, father B blood group, personer O blood group. What would be the genotype of both mother and father? A. Mother is homozygous for A blood group and father is heterozygous for B. Option B. Mother is heterozygous for A blood group and father is homozygous for B. Option C. Both mother and father are heterozygous for A and B blood group respectively. D. Both mother and father are homozygous for A and B blood group respectively. Right answer C. Both mother and father are heterozygous for A and B blood group respectively. Directions. In the following questions, a statement of assertion is followed by a statement of reason. Mark the correct choice as A. If both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. B. If both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. C. If assertion is true but reason is false. D. If assertion is false but reason is true. Number 1. Assertion. Mendel conducted artificial pollination experiments for his genetic studies using true breeding P lines. Reason. A true breeding line shows the stable trait inheritance and expression for several generations. Number 2. Assertion. At F2 stage in monohybrid cross, both parental traits are expressed in the proportion of 3:1. Reason. The contrasting parental traits show blending at F2 stage. Next, assertion. Test cross is the cross between the F1 progeny and either of the parent types. Reason. Test cross is used to predict the genotype of an individual of unknown genotype. Very important. Number 4. Assertion. The pink colored flowers appeared in F1 generation of plant dog flower. Reason. This is observed due to epistatic suppression of white color alleles in one of the parental flowers by red color alleles. Number 5. Assertion. ABO blood group system provides a good example of multiple alleles. Reason. In ABO blood group system, when IA and IB alleles are present together, they both express their own types. Assertion. Pairing and separation of pair of chromosomes would lead to segregation of a pair of factors they carried. Two alleles of the gene pair are located on similar sites on non-homologous chromosomes. Next, assertion. The law of independent assortment can be studied by means of dihybrid cross. Reason. The law of independent assortment is applicable only to linked genes. Next, assertion. When yellow-bodied, white-eyed Drosophila females were hybridized with brown-bodied, red-eyed males and F1 progeny was intercrossed, F2 ratio deviated from 9:3:3:1. Reason. When two genes in a dihybrid are on the same chromosome, the proportion of parental gene combinations are much higher than the non-parental type. Assertion: the maximum frequency of recombination that can result from crossing over between linked genes is 50%. Reason: linked genes show higher frequency of crossing over if distance between them is longer. Next, assertion: in pigeons, females are heterogametic and males are homogametic. Reason: in pigeons, females have ZW sex chromosomes and males have double Z sex chromosomes. Next, assertion: in honeybees, drones have 16 chromosomes while queen has 32 chromosomes. Reason: male bees develop from unfertilized eggs and female bees from fertilized eggs. Next, assertion: human skin color is controlled by 3 pairs of genes. Reason: skin color in humans show pleiotropic inheritance. Next, assertion: sickle cell anemia is an autosome-linked recessive disorder that can be transmitted if both parents are heterozygous for the gene. Reason: in sickle cell anemia, hemoglobin molecule undergoes polymerization under low oxygen tension, causing the change in shape of RBC. Assertion: phenylpyruvic acid is excreted through urine in case of phenylketonuria. Reason: the affected individual lacks enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Assertion: Turner's syndrome is caused due to absence of any one of the X and Y sex chromosomes. Turner syndrome is an example of aneuploidy. Okay, thank you. Love you all. Best of luck. অ্যাসারশন রিজনের অ্যান্সার পাশে দেওয়া আছে।